This is a paclock 90a Pro that I got because I like the color green. It's a pretty neat color. So that's the bidding for it. The key on this one's a little snatchier than some of the other ones. Try to get into this. I'm going to use the Paclock Tools 31 thousandths at that weird angle, and then the number 5 from the Reaper set. So 1, 2, 3. Jeez. So there's 4. Maybe some out of 5, 6, some out of 7, and then drop. Oh, that would be why. So there's 3, 4, 5, maybe some out of 7, 2, 3. Something at 6, something at 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 7 opens it up. But that's the Paclock 90a Pro. And I mean, you can see I was having a little bit of trouble with it. This one, it's snatchy, and once it goes into that full set, it locks up. But it is what it is.